Meaning of high kick.
High kick.
High kick.
High kick.
High kick. A high kick refers to a technique used in various forms of martial arts, dance, and gymnastics, where a person raises their leg high into the air. The purpose of a high kick can vary depending on the context, but it is often used as an offensive maneuver to strike an opponent with the foot or as a display of flexibility and athleticism. Executing a successful high kick requires a combination of strength, balance, and flexibility, and training in the proper technique. Overall, a high kick is a powerful and visually impressive move often used to intimidate opponents or captivate an audience.